Just 10 steps away from the beach, this is oceanfront living at its finest. Welcome to Castaway Bay Resort. My name is Butch Clemons, founder of Exclusive Living, and I can't wait to show you this stunning property. We have 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, a very large heated pool and spa, and the best part, we're right here on the beach. Let's go take a look. So the property is split between 2 different levels. You have the upstairs, which is the primary suite, and then you have the downstairs, which features the other bedrooms, 2 living rooms, and the kitchen. So if you follow me up these stairs, we have the formal living room. The style of the home is very old Florida-esque, so it's very classy, very elegant, and it will just put you in the best mood. We have a formal living room right here, which features no TVs so that you really get to enjoy that time with the people that you're with. And then we do have a wet bar so you can get the cocktails flowing and loosen up before dinner in your formal dining area. So the formal dining area seats 8 guests, and it also features Louis the Turtle over here. Fort Lauderdale is known for its turtle nesting, and it's actually a really big deal here. You can't have any lights on the exterior of your home if you are on the beach, so we take our turtles very seriously. And then if you come through here, we have the kitchen. I love how homey this kitchen feels. You really have that nice eat-in area right off of the kitchen where you can enjoy the pool views and even some of the ocean. And then you have this bar seating where you have seating for up to 6 people at the bar. And then of course, properties of this caliber, we come with the standard top of the line chef grade appliances. We have the Sub-Zero fridge and freezer, Thermador range. You also have a dishwasher, wine cooler, ice maker, and the oven microwave setup as well. And then there's plenty of cabinetry here for storage. The kitchen is fully stocked, so you don't have to bring anything at all. And if you do want to purchase this home, you have plenty of storage space to set up all your cooking needs. And then over here is the family room. So this is really where people spend the most of their time kind of hanging out, watching TV, playing darts, or even just conversing with your family as they cook and you maybe want to be a little bit closer. Over here, there are 2 guest suites. The first room over here is the King Guest Suite, which, you know, the tropical vibes in here, you really feel like you're on vacation every second you're in this home. And then it has its own bathroom right here, which was recently remodeled. I really do love these bricks. They bring in so much character to the bathroom. And then we have another suite over here, which is one that I think is really cool. I call it the kid room or the hangout room. You have 3 beds in here, so it's perfect if you have a family with younger kids or even teenagers. Just throw them all in here and they have a good time. So then on the main level, we have 2 additional guest suites as well. This one right here, which is one of the larger rooms on the main floor. You have the king bed, and then you also have a desk as well. So if there's someone in your party who needs to work, then this is a good room for them. And then it also has a bathroom right here that has a dual vanity setup. So the final room on the main level, we have a queen bed, and then we have another bathroom as well, which I think is really cool. The tile is black, which you don't see a lot in bathrooms. If you come upstairs, the entire upper level is all the primary suite. When you walk into the primary suite, you really see why this home gets its name Castaway Bay. The second you step through the double French doors, you feel like you are transported into your own private paradise. Right here on this side of the room, you have a lounge area where you can sit and relax. You can do a workout on the elliptical, or you can use binoculars to watch the kite surfers in the morning. And then of course we have an ocean facing desk right here. And then we have the master bathroom where you have dual vanities, private soaking tub that is jetted, and then you have a large walk-in shower as well. On this side of the suite, you have the sleeping accommodations, which feature a king bed, and then a little breakfast table where you can enjoy breakfast in suite, or you can sit and have a conversation at night before turning it in. So usually people like to say, this is where the magic happens. But in Florida, this is where the magic happens. In real estate, location is everything. And when you want to experience that oceanfront lifestyle, your options become a lot more limited. Whether you're renting an oceanfront home or purchasing an oceanfront home, your options are a lot more slim. So it's important to work with an experienced broker who has that access and is able to provide you that option. So in Florida, we are all about that outdoor active lifestyle. As you can see, just behind me, there's people doing the hydrofoil, there's people parasailing, kite surfing, fishing, or just laying out at the beach and working on their tan. There's something very special about a property like this where you only have to walk 10 steps out your backyard and you're on the beach. You don't have to drive, you don't have to pack up the cooler, you have it all right here. This property has a stunning resort-style backyard, fit with 2 alfresco dining areas. This one right here on the upper deck seats 8, and then we have an additional dining over on the lower patio for 10. You have a lovely summer kitchen right here that features a propane grill and then as well as a green egg smoker. And then the property comes with 2 kayaks and a paddleboard that you can drag right out to the beach and enjoy. One of my favorite features in this backyard is the gigantic swimming pool, which is heated and also goes down to 10 feet deep. And then raised up, we have a lovely spa, and it's raised up a bit so that you can see the ocean while you're sitting in the hot tub. A really cool thing about this property is that we have this second yard in addition to the resort style backyard over there. So if you follow me through here, we are just steps away from the beach. Here you really get a more calm, quiet, safe, and peaceful lifestyle that could be right for you and your family. It really doesn't get better than this. Hey, do you want to know the secret to finding the best properties? In the ultra-luxury market, exclusive access is everything, and it is very important to work with the broker who can provide you that access. Call Exclusive Living today because your success is our business. We will find you the best properties and negotiate the best terms on your behalf. Don't wait, call today and learn why people love living exclusive.